What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the M4. Hope you guys are all doing well, man. I'm doing great. Another day.
Save the drums.
Y'all know the rest. Even if you don't say that out loud, you should always say it in your head because it's the most absolute truth. I think the shittiest part about life is it's pretty much like a video game. We're all just playing until it's game over, you know? G87. Toronto red. Clean? How am I going to get in here? Bruh. Nah, I'm sorry, sir. You're getting cut off. I ain't got time to be going. Nah, you're getting cut off, G. Is that another G87? It is. That's crazy. Red G87, white G87. And like I was saying, you know, the shittiest part about life is we really never know when we're gonna leave. So, you know, I always keep that in the back of my head, and that's kind of what inspires me to keep going, because I'm just like, damn, bro, like one day I'm not gonna be able to enjoy none of this or even work for it. Sorry, sir. Sorry, not sorry. A little spin never hurt nobody. Come on, brother. Oh my god, you guys go so slow. Yo, he's wildin'. No, that was crazy. Oh, we got a plaid. Those things are cheat codes, bro. A plaid, that is just, honestly, it's disrespectful to the car world. Truthfully. The fact that that thing will punish most people's builds is just diabolical. Okay, little M550, little V8. Gramps got the V8. I know you're looking at that M4 like, goddamn. That motherfucker bad. So right now I'm about to go get a haircut, and then I'm gonna be heading over to OC to Beamer plug, and we got something new for the M4. You guys might know already, I do have some aftermarket tail lights on the M4. I have the smoke LCI laser style. Obviously they're not OEM because they don't make them smoked. They have a version 2 that's out now, and supposedly it's a lot better. It actually looks on point to like the OEM ones. So I figured why not try those out. I really love the CSL style tails, and they're now standard on the 2025. From a distance, people probably might not know the difference, but I'll show you guys. Tomorrow, I'm gonna take both cars to the Beamer plug meet. It should be pretty cool. And then we are going to run the 340 in the M4. I'm real curious to see how that car is gonna do against this car. I'm not even lying to you guys. If that car is not like neck and neck with the M4, it might possibly beat it. I don't think a lot of people know how quick that car is, so especially since we did the manifold now, I feel like the car picked up like another car length or two. It feels pretty healthy now. Honestly, I want the 340 to beat the M4 because that would just be sick. Like the fact that we haven't even full sent that car yet and it's already gonna beat the M4 would be crazy. That's exciting. I'm probably gonna hook up the 360 cam and everything so I can get some good angles. Oh, we got the po-po. Call the po-po ho. And just like that, my car is stock. All of a sudden it's quiet. I'm about to get this haircut, and I will probably hop back in this video when we pull up to Beamer plug. All right, guys, we have arrived. Look at that, another G87. Okay, looks pretty good. Nice fitment. All right, guys, let's show you the tail lights currently. Pretty badass, to be honest. So the difference is on the other lights, these are going to be a little bit more thinner and more like the OEM ones. I think they still look pretty sick though. I'm not the biggest fan of the OEM lights for the 4 Series. They're just kind of mid in my opinion. Just with the whole theme of my car, I think these look the best. When I had red tails on it, it just popped kind of too much. So when the car's on, I think this just looks really sick. The new ones should look a lot better. This is like a V1, those are like the V2, basically you could say that. So yeah, I'm gonna be swapping these out, and I'll probably end up selling these if anybody's interested. I love how they look when you unlock the car though. I'm not sure if the other ones do it, but all right, here's what they look like off. Let's lock the car. And my favorite part is this. Finally, my front end is all clean. It doesn't look ratchet. Alright guys, check it out. We got that young V2. Okay.
You can already see the difference on the monitor here. The
backlight do look a lot better. A lot more detailed. Alright, so let's see if you can see the difference with them off. Whoa, gotta watch out for that lip. That thing crazy, bro. Almost took bro out. Alright, so it doesn't have that clear LED part anymore. Interior is clean. Okay, okay. It's pretty hard. So yeah, these are the new ones. Yeah, these should definitely look better. Here is a side-by-side comparison. I'm gonna take one outside so you guys can get a better look. Here is the one that was currently on the car. And here's the V2. A lot more detailed. Yeah, those look way better. Those LEDs inside of there. So if you guys need that, my promo code over here still works. A little 5% off. Better than nothing, right? All right, guys, check it out. Yeah, they're way more detailed. Just doesn't have the animation, which sucks because I really love that, but these just look a lot better. Sick. We all done here. I really wish they were animated like the other ones. I would honestly complete them, but I don't even think the OEM ones are animated. They're probably just like this, so that's probably why. A lot more detailed. Have more of that like 3D look to them. Sheesh. Hey, who baby that? Yeah, these look sick. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in these, they are now available. My promo code is FreshKicks. I'll throw it down here. 1H, 1I. Get you a little 5% off. You know what's crazy? There's a lot of people complaining like, bro, it's only 5%. Like, I'll pay 0% then, shit. Yeah, your boy Kicks ain't getting on no planes 2025. Them things is falling out of the sky like Dookie from a pigeon. The homie Dave pulled up. Alright. Little essential wash. Alright guys, well, we are going to be back here tomorrow. So I'm probably going to end up ending the video later today because I'm going to start a whole new video tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of filming. You know. Need that good stuff. Oh shit, that was a fail. I'm over here trying to be cool and shit for the camera. Didn't even have it open. Yeah, man, here are the new tails. Even off, I could definitely see the difference though. Pretty hard. So yeah, we have the Beamer plug meet tomorrow. Should be pretty lit. Will the M4 get gapped by the 340? Is Fresh Kicks going to gap Fresh Kicks? These are so hard, bro. Get all the best music videos at Loop.tv now. It looks a lot harder at night. Man, I'm about to get inside of there. Yeah, these go hard. But bro, I hate the wing. Ooh, you heard the turbo on the bus? Bro got 100 mil on there. I was like, yo, where'd the new ambient lighting come from? It's the gas station. Probably gonna end the video here. Let me know what you're thinking of the V2 tails. I mean, the other ones I had already looked pretty sick, but these are like top notch. It looks more like the actual CSL ones, so pretty happy with the results. It looks good. Still do wish they were animated. That kind of sucks because I did like that startup feature it had. But at the end of the day, the lights do look better, so I'll take it. So on that note, guys, be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. I'm out.